Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing your device so changes are safe. Back up the game folder and iPhone settings. Once done, close PubG Mobile and connect to a file manager or use a computer to browse the app container path. Make sure you have permission to modify files. This prevents corrupt saves and bans. Next, locate the game's config files, usually inside documents or library preferences. You'll act on specific INI or XML files, so identify them now before editing to avoid mistakes. Now you edit carefully. Open the config file with a plain text editor that preserves encoding, because wrong encoding breaks parsing. Change values incrementally. Start with sensitivity or graphics settings, then tweak FOV and frame limits while testing in-game. This helps you isolate impact. Make one change, save, and close the editor. Also create a dated copy after each edit and record original values, so you can revert if performance or gameplay feels off. This stepwise approach prevents large, destabilizing edits. Finally, you test everything in a low-risk environment. Launch PubG Mobile and verify changes in a private match or training ground. Observe FPS, input responsiveness, and visual artifacts. If something breaks, immediately restore the dated copy you saved and relaunch. That quick rollback prevents data loss. Make sure you don't apply extreme or prohibited parameters that could trigger anti-cheat detection. Moderate tweaks are safer. Troubleshooting tip: if the game crashes on startup, restore the original config, clear cache, and retry to isolate the faulty setting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.